Okay, this is a cheesy video for my teacher friends for how to use Screencast-O-Matic. So I can use it that way. I can, like, the students can see me, and I can write up here if I want to do math. I can just use a board and draw or write on it. So I like that. But let me show you how to get there so that you can use it if you want to. So this is the internet. So you just go to screencast-o-matic.com, screen recorder, and then I just did this launch free recorder. That's what I did. And then when it's prompted, it probably will say, oh, you're already using it. When I was prompted, I just clicked on the both so that they could see everything that I was doing on my screen, and then they could see me. It's really easy. You can record for free, and then it just uploads straight to YouTube. So at the end of recording, you push the stop button, and then as soon as you push stop, it will say, what do you wish to do with this video? And I just put upload to YouTube, and then I just put the video straight on for my students. I just use the YouTube link for my students. So hopefully that helps. All right. Hopefully you guys are having a good time making videos and teaching from home. This is a new experience for all of us.